Boys and girls, do you know what time it is? That's right! It's time for the Landlord Special!
The Landlord Special, brought to you by
High Society.
Fuck you! Just slap it and glue! Fuck you! Fuck you! Hello, boys and girls! Liddy Landlord here. I bet you're wondering, what will we be fixing today on the Landlord Special? Let's find out! Today's fix-it is a door hinge. The first thing you want to do is get a hammer. When you have your trusty hammer, the next step is to whack your tenant over the head.